Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you can understand in a better way. Apart from seeing 23rd video, 86th video, 22 video, you will get confused, friends. So if you come sequence wise, you will understand in a better way. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, I will spell it for you. ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So in our last video I have covered the topic called in what way are the earth children in touch with the spirit world. So this was a topic, and in today's video and in this video I'm going to cover the topic called after we start speaking, are all the ties with the spirit world cut off. So this video I will be covering in this video, friends. Okay. So I will start, and the video number is 107, friends. Okay. So the topic is, are after we start speaking, are all the tie with the spirit world cut off. So I will start. Not at all. In your deep dreamless sleep, you visit a place that is between earth and the spirit world. Your soul rises from your body and travel upward to meet the spirit soul. So this is a very interesting part which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri, that when we are in a very deep sleep and that time our body goes to leaves our body, our soul leaves our body and go to a middle point between the spirit world and the earth, where we go and meet to the spirit souls. Okay. In your sleep, your loved ones in the spirit world are talking to you through the subconscious mind and are giving you guidance. So in the deep sleep, our loved ones, those who have passed away, our departed loved ones, they speak with us and they give us spiritual guidance to us. They are in constant touch with you. When your soul rises to meet them, it is still connected to the physical by the silver cord. So whenever our soul rises to meet them, as I said, in between the places between the spirit world and the earth, so that time our soul is connected with our body with a silver cord. And friends, silver cord, those who doesn't know, in in my last video I've covered. So there is a cord which creates a balance between the spirit world and our body and our soul. That cord is known as silver cord, friends. A ray of light, that is your connection between your spirit and your body. So this is silver cord, the ray of cord which have connection between our body and the spirit and our body, our soul and the body. When you die, this connection is severed. You can meet your dear ones for a few minutes or sometime for hour. So when we die, this connection gets eliminated, and in our sleep we can meet our loved ones for few minutes or for few hours. It depends upon our sleep, how deep we are into our sleep. But this depend on your sleep, which should be deep and dreamless. So yeah, as it is said, it completely depend upon our sleep, which should be dreamless and which should be completely deep, right? So if we are in a deep sleep and if we are in a dreamless state, that time we go and we meet to our loved ones. The love between those who meet must be mutual and not one sided. Rest assured that if you have loved ones in the spirit world, you are meeting them on a regular basis. So, our love should be on a mutual basis, right? It should not be one sided. So, if our love is on mutual basis, then we are going to meet them, those who are in the spirit world, we are going to meet them daily. And daily we are going to take guidance from them, those soul who are in the spirit world. This loved one are not only dear departed soul from this lifetime, they may be people who were very close to you in the previous lifetime. So this is interesting, friends. So this souls may not be only our loved ones in this lifetime. There is quite possibilities, and there are many soul which with whom we have connection from a past lifetime. So this can be those soul also, and now trying to help you from the spirit world. So now they are trying to help us from the spirit world. The silver cord is comprised of many rays of light that merge together to form a long ray. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari that the spirit cord is a combination between the many rays which gets connected with the silver cord, friends. Okay, the silver cord is attached to the body at the top of the head so that the soul can enter and leave through the soft part of the head. So this silver cord is attached on the top of the head so that the soul can easily leave from the head and enter from the head. In babies, there is always a soft spot on the head where the silver cord is attached. So on a baby, you will, if you touch here, you will find there is a soft part here. So where silver cord is attached, so easily they can leave and they can come in the head. In your sleep, there will be many times when you suddenly wake up with a jerk, a strong thud in the chest, and you get the feeling that you were falling and have just landed. So many times with you have friends, this may happen that when you are sleeping, many a times you wake up with a jerk and you feel that you have fallen from somewhere. So it is nothing but you have again entered your body. So it is that type of feeling. This occurs when the soul returns to the physical body after it has traveled naturally and met his loved ones. So this happens whenever a soul meets to his loved ones, and again while returning to the body, many a time when the soul hits the body, we feel that we are falling from somewhere, but it is nothing but the soul, friends. So there is nothing need to be afraid, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. When the silver cord is broken, you die. So this is interesting. When this silver cord breaks, we die. Our life comes to an end. Your angel in the spirit world protect that silver cord with a great deal of brilliant white light. So our angel, our guardian angel and our angel protect this silver cord from the white light for whom we are alive. Otherwise, if the silver cord breaks, we will die immediately, which builds a protective aura so that negative cannot reach it. So as a white light has been created which creates a protective aura so that any negative soul cannot reach to it. When you practice unnatural way of meditation and astral traveling, you when you leave your body on your own. So this is interesting. Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari that when we practice our astral travel and when we leave our body by our own, you are risking your life because your silver cord is vulnerable and negative soul can try to prevent you from re-entering your body by cutting the silver cord. So that time we are putting our life at risk because there is quite possibility that the negative soul attacks the silver cord and prevent us from entering our body. Astral traveling is when a person unnaturally and consciously leaves the body. So astral traveling is a process when a person consciously or unnaturally leaves the body. There is a risk involved in this because if the silver cord is cut, you may die before your time. So there is a high risk involved. So if any person leaves the body and he cannot enter before the time, there is quite possibility that he may die before you have fulfilled your mission on earth. So before we have fulfilled our mission on the earth, there is quite possibility that we leave the body. So friends, today's this topic came to an end. In our today's video, I have covered the topic called are we after we start speaking, are all ties with the spirit world cut off? So this was a topic. And in next video, I'll be covering the topic called does each person have a fixed amount of the time on earth? So this will be the next topic, which is very interesting topic, which I will be covering in our next video. So and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you can understand in a better way. Apart from seeing 14 video, then 56 video, then 73rd video, you will get confused. And friends, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu1906. So friends, this brings to end of today's video, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and let us do good karma. And one day we all will come in the spirit world, and you will say, I used to see your video, and today we all are in the spirit world. Okay. So I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends, and take care.